Time for some more trig. This time we're finding the angle. So this is the angle we're interested in. And we have the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse is sine. So sine of x is opposite over hypotenuse, 24 over 29. So, in order to find the angle, we can do the inverse sine. The inverse sine of sine of x, the inverse sine of 24 over 29, so I'm just taking the inverse sine of both sides. The inverse sine of the sine of x is just x. And x equals the inverse sine, or arc sine, of 24/29. And thanks to the magic of technology, we can do the inverse sine of 24 over 29. Right above sine is the inverse sine, so you'll shift to get inverse sine. 24 divided by 29. Make sure you're in degrees, because this is measured in degrees. And 55.9 degrees. Alright, let's have a look at this one right here. So now, from our reference angle, we have the adjacent side, the side that's touching the angle, and the hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine. So cosine of x equals adjacent over hypotenuse, 9 over 20. So if I take inverse cosine of both sides, I'm going to get x equals inverse cosine of 9/20. So inverse cosine of 9 over 20 will give me that angle, 63.3. Oh, and this says round to the nearest degree, so this would be 56 degrees, and this would be 63 degrees. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bye.